Shaik Babji. In this session, we are going to learn some new structure. The new structure is I am sorry to. After I am sorry to, we have to use V1. V1 plus something. Let's see how we can use this structure. I am sorry to plus V1. So this structure is used to talk about someone you regret and ask for forgiveness. So the structure is used for to talk about someone you regret, means that you feel sad and ask for forgiveness. So you are asking forgiveness to someone. Let's see how we can use this structure in our own way. Means in some sentences. Let's see some sentences. I'm sorry to interrupt your I'm sorry to interrupt your discussion. I'm sorry to interrupt your discussion. I'm sorry to bother you in this regard. I'm sorry to bother you in this regard. I am sorry to hear about this news. I am sorry to hear about this news. I am sorry to miss your offer. I am sorry to miss your offer. And the next one, I am sorry to disagree with your. I am sorry to disagree with your thought. The next one, I am sorry to arrive late. I am sorry to arrive late for your party. Next, I am sorry to ask for your help. I am sorry to ask for your help. And the next one, I am sorry to mislead you. I am sorry to mislead you. Next one, I am sorry to say no. I am sorry to say no. Next, I am sorry to complain this matter. I'm sorry to complain this matter. Okay. So in this structure, actually this is the 31st structure. In this 31st structure, we are learning here I am sorry to plus V1. After I am sorry to plus V1, we have to use something. Okay. So what is this structure? This structure is used to talk about someone you regret and ask for forgiveness. Regret means here sad. Okay. Forgiveness. So regret to ask forgiveness. Regret to ask for forgiveness. So I am sorry to interrupt your discussion, and I am sorry to bother you in this regard. I am sorry to hear about this news. I am sorry to miss your offer. I am sorry to disagree with your thought. I am sorry to arrive late for your party. I am sorry to ask for your help. I am sorry to mislead you. I am sorry to say no. I am sorry to complain this matter. So here, after learning the structure, clearly it is understood that after I am sorry to, we have to use V1. Okay, V1. Thank you, friends. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe my channel for more updates, and also don't forget to like this video and share with your friends. Thank you once again.